Hello, Future Mentees. I am Edmar from Compliance and Ethics, and I am one of the mentees from previous and last year's mentoring program. And I'm so happy na you're taking the courage to take this year's mentoring program. And napaka-valuable ng program na to kasi it helped me a lot, both personally and professionally. Bukod sa mga jokes, fun stuff during discussion at libreng lunch ni Sir Lawrence, we had an interactive discussions ng mga real-world work scenarios na ina-apply ko until today. And nakadiscover ako ng mga skills na in a different perspectives, different variant ng mga skills na hindi ko pa alam at skills na alam ko na pero kailangan ko pa pala ng improvement. And yun lang. Have fun and enjoy the learning and the session. Malay mo, ikaw na susunod na mapagsabi ng okay na to.